friends, and welcome to Tamada's table. Today we will be cooking chicken mushroom sauce, and we will be using sour cream. What spices we will be using? What ingredients we will be using? Stay tuned. I will be using skinless, boneless chicken tenders, onions, baby bella mushrooms, sour cream, marigold spice, garlic, and vegetable oil. Let's prepare the ingredients. Slice the mushrooms. I am using baby bellas, but button cremini or any type of mushrooms will work well here. Chop the onion, but do not stress over this task. Heat the oil over medium-high heat. When it's hot, add the chicken pieces in a single layer. Cook until the chicken is cooked through to 165 degrees. It's about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, depending on the thickness of your fillet. Sprinkle the chicken with salt and pepper. I'm using chicken tenders. If you have chicken breasts, cut them in half horizontally to get 2 thin steaks per breast. Then cut them in 2-inch wide strips. Sprinkle chicken with salt and pepper. I really love my splatter screen because my stove stays very clean. Turn the chicken pieces over and continue cooking for another 3 to 4 minutes until it's done. You can use internal thermometer to measure the temperature. Transfer the chicken to a plate. I will be serving this dish with rice, so it's time to start cooking it. The onion is ready, so it's time to add the mushrooms. Cook the mushrooms uncovered until they become tender and brown lightly. Since different varieties of mushrooms release different amounts of water, check on the liquid frequently. Turn the heat to high for quick evaporation is necessary. Stir the mushrooms occasionally. Season with salt and black pepper. Add the garlic, mix well and cook for 2 more minutes. In a small bowl, combine the sour cream, marigold and water. Into mushroom mixture. Bring to the boil, cover, turn the heat down to low and simmer for 5 minutes until reduce and thicken and juices of the mushroom combine with sour cream. Taste for black pepper and salt. Return the chicken to the pan with the sauce, cover and continue simmering for 2 minutes. Is done, and soon my chicken will be done, so time to have dinner. Serve the chicken warm over rice or pasta. Green beans are excellent, or roasted potatoes. This dish can be served at formal or informal events. Add a glass of chilled wine. Bon appetit! Garnish with parsley if you wish and serve. This is so good! Delicious dinner which I made for myself. If you like the recipe, please subscribe, share with your family and friends, like and comment. Come back for my weekly postings. Bon appetit! Gabriel admired. We have more delicious recipes for you, Tamada and I. Stay tuned.